And then last question. This is the stumper. Is there any other Bobcat machine that interests you that you currently do not own?
You know, I don't know. I think we pretty much have like one of everything, and it was never really designed to be this big. It was just, I don't know, the accountant says spend money, so we did. Again, you have to bend my arm, like, okay, deal. I don't know, I think my son was talking about one of the new little articulated loaders the other day, so that's probably the only thing that I don't really have lined up in the arsenal. You know, with the new CT 1025 that kind of fills the mowing need. And like I said, our property's on a side hill, so the zero turn mowers kind of turn into like the Jamaican bobsled team, so I can't do that. We tried that, it did not work out well, so I need something that's four-wheel drive to billy goat on the hills. So yeah, probably somewhere in that articulated loader, but I'm not sure that we really have a need for it, but that's probably the only thing that I don't have that's on the website currently.
No, that's great. That's great. No, the first, especially that first part, whenever just like don't really have a need for anything else. That's perfect. Awesome. Okay, well, the hard part's over. Now